Hello and welcome, guys. Here in this lecture, we are going to just learn about the few assignment exercises which you will be practice yourself. In the next lecture, I will explain you about the solution for all these exercises, but in first step, you need to write code by yourself. So here in exercise 1, handle the exception thrown by the code below by using try and except blocks. Here this is the code statement. You need to manage this exception throw by try and except block. The unsupported operand type, double static and end. So this is the type error. You need to be the right code for try and except block. There is an exercise to handle the exception thrown by code below by using the try and except block, and after that use a finally block to print it. That's what we all need. So that's all done. This is the code, and here is the exception throwing zero deviant error. So you need to manage it through try, except, and finally block. The third one exercise, write a function my_square for an integer and prints the square of it. Use the whole loop with a try, except, else block to account for incorrect inputs. So now this is the definition my_square. Here you need to write your code. When you call this function, then it will say input an integer. If it is null, then an error occurred, please try again. And when you provide the 3, input integer as a 3, then thank you, your number square result should be 9. So these are the 3 exercises. Please try yourself and wish you good luck. Thank you. I will be back with next lecture with the solution of these exercises.